Have you guys ever fried in bacon fat before? If not, you're definitely missing out. Well, today we're frying a turkey in bacon fat, and these size containers just aren't quite enough to get it done. So Bacon Up has released 22 pounds of bacon fat in select stores, or you can look at baconup.com for a complete list. So we're gonna fill our fryer with bacon fat, get it lit, and fry a turkey. Let's get it. Now it's time to make our injection. I have 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of original Allegro marinade, and then 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. I'm going to insert it in both breasts, the legs, to make sure we get lots of meat covered. So once you're done injecting, the next thing is to get your seasoning on. I don't like fooling with the metal stands. I'm gonna go straight into the basket. We're gonna insert our thermometer directly into the center of the breast meat. We're gonna cook this to 165 degrees. We're on a concrete pad. There's no overhead roof, nothing nearby that is flammable. We hit 350, so I'm cutting the gas completely off. Now I'm going to slowly lower this down into the pot. Make sure you're wearing gloves when you do this. Now I'm gonna get the flame cut back on. Now your job is to calculate 3 minutes per pound. We've hit our target temperature on the turkey breast. I'm gonna turn this off and we're gonna get this removed here. I'm gonna start by removing the wings. A fried turkey is naturally gonna be darker than a baked or a smoked turkey. And cut the legs off, nice and juicy in there. And now I'm gonna cut the breasts off. I'm gonna run right down the breastplate and then come in at an angle here. And you're gonna cut it crossways like this. It's gonna ensure that each piece has some of that skin with it. Get off a little piece, pair it with some skin. Fried turkey is the king of all turkeys. Let's eat, y'all.